Everybody has tinned fish in their store cupboards. I've got this tin of mackerel in tomatoes, mackerel fillets. I'm going to show you how to make this nice and spicy. Takes very little time. Some oil. Some ginger and garlic paste. Some very thinly sliced onions. I'm going to be adding 2 green chilies. You can add more and stir well. Curry powder. Fry these for a minute. Okay, so I've added this red pepper which is lurking around in my fridge. I mean, if you've got any other things that you want to put in there that go with fish, some potato, leftover potato, roast potato, anything, just add it. Yeah, I'm going to be adding mackerel. You can use sardines. I'm going to add some passata. There's about 3 tablespoons here. Stir that in well. This is all nicely cooked now. As you can see, 1 can of fish I think will feed too very nicely with all the other ingredients in it. All done. Right, this is 1 cup of plain flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to make some flatbread to go with that fish. It's a nice soft dough that I made up. I've left it for about 15 minutes. Just roll it out thinly. You can use a frying pan. This is my pancake pan, so just put that on there, and once the colour changes, just turn it over. In the meantime, I'll get the next one ready. I'm going to plate up now, so I'm going to use one of these lovely soft flatbreads, chapatis, whatever you like to call it. I'm going to take some of this mixture. On 1/2. I mean, you can make these into a wrap. Put your mayonnaise, sauce, whatever you like. I mean, the ideas are endless. This is spicy mackerel served with flatbread.